Welcome to your active system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Active Foot System for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the power cord included with your system. Plug it into the USB-C port on the bottom of the OrthoSource controller. You'll see a red light turn on. This means the system is charging. After about 90 minutes, the red light will turn off, letting you know it's fully charged. Step 1. Prepare the OrthoPods. Open a new package of OrthoPods 5 to 10 minutes before your session so they have time to warm up. Make sure the logoed side is facing down or they won't warm properly. Step 2. Start your therapy. Gently insert the OrthoPods into the ortho docks on your device. You'll feel the magnets pull them into place. Once your therapy session starts, a blue light will appear on the OrthoSource. Each session runs for 2 hours. You're now ready to begin your therapy session. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Active Foot System for therapy. For foot treatment, look for the OrthoSource. This should sit on top of your foot. Slide the device onto your foot until the OrthoPods are centered over the area you want to treat, whether it's your toes, midfoot, or heel. Adjust the strap until the fit feels secure. Be careful not to over-tighten. It should feel comfortable, not restrictive. Do not walk or stand while wearing the active foot system. When your therapy session is complete, the blue light on the controller will flash for about 2 minutes before turning off completely. Gently remove the device from your body. Remove the used OrthoPods from your device. The magnets will release easily. Discard them in the trash after use.